Hello everyone, this is Meng. I'm a senior machine learning engineer working for a tech company. So today I'm gonna introduce artificial intelligence for you, which is called AI. My speech today has 4 parts. Firstly, what is AI? And then the good use of AI, bad use of AI, and finally AI regulation. Let's start with what is AI. I just categorize AI into three parts. Firstly, the single modality AI. It basically means it's a text model, so you can send a text message to the AI model and it will give you another text message back. ChatGPT is a typical example, of course. Second group is multimodality AI. So in addition to the text messages, you can also send images and even audios to the model, and the model can generate another image to you, which basically means you can describe what kind of images you want, and AI is able to generate that imaginary image. Another example is audio-to-audio AI models, which basically means you can talk to AI in real time. It doesn't mean AI converts your audio, your voice into text, and then send another text back and then converts it back to audio for you. No, that doesn't work that way. Audio-to-audio AI models can natively understand your voice, which means it can understand your pitch, your feeling in your voice, and even your English accent. The third category is agentic AI, which basically means AI can make decisions for you. Tesla's self-driving cars is one of the examples, and also AlphaGo, which can play the Go game, is another example. Given these kinds of AI, you might be wondering, can we use AI for good? Of course, many companies have already adopted AI into their daily businesses, and these AI models are playing a very positive role. For example, again, Tesla's self-driving cars is very common, and many users, many drivers find it very helpful. And also, Cambly, which is an English learning website I use a lot, just released an AI functionality called AI feedback. So after every lesson you do on Cambly, Cambly will send you an AI summary feedback. It basically analyzed your performance during the lesson, your vocabulary, your grammar, how many mistakes you made, and that kind of information. I just found them very helpful for myself. And also TripAdvisor introduced review summaries recently. So imagine that you want to book a hotel or you want to go to a restaurant, but there are thousands or even tens of thousands of reviews for that hotel, and you don't really have enough time to read all of them. Now you can just look at the review summary. It's a short paragraph. It's very quick to read, and then you can get an idea about, okay, what this restaurant is about, what kind of dishes it has, and what people are saying about this hotel. Is the staff welcoming, and this kind of information. So given all of this good use of AI, you might be wondering, do people use it for bad? Of course, unfortunately. So firstly, remember, reliability issue is a very big issue for the current AI systems. So the output generated by AI cannot be trusted 100%. Let me give you an example. If you ask an AI the question, how many R's in the word strawberry? Actually, many AIs will answer wrongly. Some AIs will answer there are 2 R's in the word strawberry, while there are 3. If you ask another question, 9.8 and 9.11, which one is bigger? Many AI systems will answer 9.11 is bigger, which is obviously wrong. Secondly, AI can also be used by bad people. So many scammers are now using AIs to generate the fake videos or fake images to do scams. There was a news saying that a financial worker in Hong Kong just pays out $25 million after a fake, like a video call with a deep fake chief financial officer. That was a huge loss to the company. So if you don't want to get into this kind of trap, just be very cautious about AI. And thirdly, AI can have a very negative impact on the society as well. So the consultant company just estimated there will be about 300 million job losses in the future caused by AI. Given this good use and bad use of AI, you might be wondering how can we better regulate AI? This is a very controversial topic. I don't have an answer right now, but I'm just trying to give some information about this. So European Union just released the world's first AI Regulation Act, which is called EU AI Act. It's very strict, so if a company wants to release its AI models in the EU market, it must get a certificate from the government first. But you know the efficiency of most of the governments in the world, it takes about like half a year or even 1 year to get the certificate. In a fast developing area like artificial intelligence, it's just unacceptable for many companies to do innovations. That's why many companies are opposing this regulation. Meta just said it won't release its AI models in the EU market because of the strict regulation. And also Apple Intelligence won't work in the EU market because Apple thinks the EU AI regulation is very unpredictable. So there is no correct answer. It's a controversial topic, but I hope this information can motivate you to think more about AI. That's it about my today's speech. I talked about what is AI, the good use of AI, bad use of AI, and also AI regulations. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much.